Where to find Amazon FBA products. You can find Amazon FBA products through wholesale suppliers, manufacturers, online sourcing platforms, and retail arbitrage opportunities. The most common approach is to research profitable, high-demand items using data tools before purchasing inventory. Many successful sellers source from trusted suppliers who offer bulk pricing, private label options, or trending products that meet Amazon's marketplace standards. Popular methods include private labeling, where you work with manufacturers to create branded products, and wholesale sourcing, where you buy existing products in bulk to resell. Some sellers use online arbitrage or liquidation suppliers to find discounted inventory. Trade shows and supplier directories are also great ways to discover unique items and build long-term relationships with reliable vendors. Helium 10 makes finding Amazon FBA products easier by providing tools for product research, demand analysis, and profitability tracking. With features like Black Box and X-Ray, you can identify high-potential items, evaluate competition, and calculate profit margins before investing. Many FBA sellers rely on Helium 10 to minimize risk and maximize product success. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to product research, profitability tracking, and trend analysis tools that help you find winning Amazon FBA products with clarity and confidence.